What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back at Renegade Racing on the dyno, and we are going to see what it puts down on the 125 pulley on 93. Now, when we were here a couple weeks ago, we put down 382 base bone stock. So we're going to see what we picked up today and see what the 125 pulley is putting out, and then we will head to the drag strip probably next weekend, and weather providing, and see what it does on the quarter mile. So let's get going. So what do you think?
I mean, it's going to make about 430 horsepower.
I think so. I think so.
The idea is to lose horsepower.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. But anyway, guys, let's get going.
Excited. There we go. Back up a little bit. A little better.
As you can see, we made a few runs on the dyno. We ended up with 636 real world horsepower and 477 foot-pound of torque, and that's kind of where we're going to be setting on the 125 pulley. Give or take, if it's got fuel in it, it makes it a little happier. It could make more. Yes. But anyway, I can't wait to get to the drag strip. Yep. That's what I want to see, guys. You know, I care more about the drag strip more than I do the dyno, but we got to do it all. Shout out to Wengerd Performance as always for providing the tunes for us. Does an awesome job. And so now it's time to go to the drag strip to see what this thing will do on the drag strip. So probably next week we should be at the drag strip, weather providing, and then we'll get you guys that video, and then we'll be dropping pulleys and then going to E85 and keep going until we either break something or go really fast.
I mean, you got a lot of pulleys to test.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, huge shout out to Renegade Racing for providing the dyno. If you're anywhere near the Clarksville, Tennessee area, hit them up. They also do some builds also, so hit them up. But that's pretty much going to be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.